up, $1 Million Babes, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be a review on Ulta. Well, basically it's just some products that I actually got from Ulta, so a review of their products that I got from them. Y'all love my last Ulta haul, so I wanted to do another one. And then plus I've been ordering from Ulta since we really can't go in the store, and Ulta is actually doing you can actually do drive up pickup, so you can just order and then you just drive to the store and do pickup. So, and they'll actually bring it out to you in your car with no contact. It's basically a contactless delivery. So yeah, they just pretty much these I ordered. I'm going to be showing y'all today. I ordered offline, and then they took about a week to come, so it wasn't bad. But if you can't wait, because I only did the online order because they didn't have them in store. Otherwise I would have went and drove and picked it up, because I had to go to the store, and the only thing they had in stock was my eyebrow pencil, which I had to re-up on because I need my eyebrow pencil. But yeah, other than that, the order, if you order offline right now, shipping is just taking about a week. But other than that, they have it in store, do pickup. And so they'll normally just call when you're on the way. They tell you to let down your window in the back seat, and they just come and drop your bag in the car, honey. So you can't beat that. So yeah, that's why I love Ulta as well. And plus you get points when you shop with Ulta as well. So let's go ahead, let me stop all this rambling. Let's get started. View, rate, and subscribe as well, and thumb this video up. And let's go ahead and get started, and stay tuned if you want to see more loves. Alright, welcome back, loves. Let's go ahead and get into this Ulta haul. So my first product, I am actually wearing some of these products today, but I'll let y'all know which ones I am. So I am just trying out this Tarte primer. I have this on today, and baby, I must say I love it. It goes on, it's not really sticky, it's a good consistency. And this is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and I just actually love this primer. So yes, I just make sure to always set my foundation with primer, ladies. So if it'll focus. There we go. I don't think it's any specific color that you get. They all are the same, because it's just a primer. And it just goes on like, it's like a little white consistency formula that you get. But let me go ahead and show y'all. Take it out the pack, maybe that'll help. Let's see. And this is just how it comes. Top comes off, and then it has a little pump. So you just, I normally just pump like one. You don't need much as well, so just one will be fine. And then I just put it all over my face, and then I pat it in before I actually apply my foundation. But yes, loving it so far. It's a 12-hour hydration. It's coconut infused. It smooths appearances, and it thins the wear of your foundation. So that's another benefit of wearing primer as well. So definitely cop this primer, y'all. My next product is, I had to re-up on my setting spray. I wanted to try a new setting spray. So I saw this one had some good reviews. This is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And that's just that one. And whenever these setting sprays, make sure to spray out first, because they'll come out like water when you first spray it out. Then this actually comes out as a mist later. So, but I have this on today as well. My next product is actually had to re-up and actually get the big bottle, because I am in love with this moisturizer. I have this on today as well. Whenever I do my wash my face, I cleanse it in the morning with my my face wash. And then I tone my face with my toner, and then I also use a vitamin C serum, which has hyaluronic acid in it as well. And then I put this on, and I normally do this in the day. Then at night I put my night cream on. But yeah, definitely cop this. This is the Estee Lauder Day Wear. And then I also like it because it has it's a 24-hour moisture cream, plus it has SPF 15 in it, so it protects you from the sun as well. And this is the size that I have, and this is the 1 ounce. For my ladies that just want to try it, they do have a it's like a smaller size if you want, but you might as well just go ahead and get the big bottle. Yeah, another must have. And then I also been seeing a lot of reviews on this Mineralized, this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And I got this in dark deepest. I'm also wearing this today as well. So I put this around like my contour and my jawline and stuff and my forehead. But yeah, let me show y'all how that looks. Comes in a little MAC container. Comes with a little plastic on top, and then that is that. Let me just swatch it for y'all. And it comes with a little mirror. But yeah, you can see. And you can never go wrong with MAC products, baby. But yeah, definitely loving this product as well. And then I also got a free gift. So I got to get I chose the MAC lipstick. And I haven't been wearing, I've been loving my glosses lately, y'all. But yeah, I forgot how good MAC lipsticks was. And this is actually Velvet Teddy. So I am definitely loving this as well. Such a cute color. And that is just that lipstick. If I can swatch it for you. Yes, so cute. Just put that on. You see the color. But yeah, this is such cute, and it was free, so who don't like free stuff? But yeah, that is my little mini Ulta haul. I hope you all enjoy these products. Let me know if you want to see more. Until next time, loves, make sure to stay safe and stay beautiful, loves. Bye, y'all.